afternoon. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style, and now natural hair care. So if you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing and then clicking the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. So today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a birthday haul. I am so excited because all of these have been in boxes. I have had some self-control, but I'm ready to wear these pieces. I do have 6 pieces to show you. The 7th one is on the way. I just decided not to wait for it, and I can just show you those in another video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first thing, I have heard people talk about these before, and I saw that they were in stock. They have been on back order for the world's longest time. So I just decided it's my birthday. Let's go ahead and try them. They are probably one of the bougiest pieces of tissue that you can buy. So I got them directly from the Chanel website. So they came like this. Opens right here, and then it has the Chanel right there. We'll take it out of the box. This is the box. I always love Chanel boxes. They are so classic. One of my favorite color combinations is black and white. And then it has this thing right here. I'm assuming that's for Christmas. And it's actually like a little Velcro. Just take it off like that. Open the box like that. It has the beautiful Chanel sticker on it. And then you have the wipes right here. And then whenever you do buy something from Chanel, as far as like cosmetics are concerned, they give you like a sample of something. I chose I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. It's some type of cream, a luminaire cream, like a brightening cream. Okay. And then here's the box right here. I will get closer so you can see these, but I've heard a lot of great things about these. They were $20, so not too much, and it's 100 of them in here. Okay, so here is the box. You open it like this, right here. Of course, they're gonna have this little Chanel emblem on it, but it's just like this right here, and you just pat your face with it. I think these will go really well within my face care regimen. Once I actually cleanse my face, I do dab with a cotton swab. I do dab like some witch hazel on there, and then I put on my moisturizer. So I think these would do greatly. Okay, next, let's move on to Dior. Y'all have seen me talk about these earrings before, and I absolutely love them. They come in this box right here, and the shipping was pretty fast. Here is my receipt right here, and then here is the box. And as you can see, I have not opened them. And I actually love this packaging way more than the other packaging from last year. It looks like this. Open it. These boxes are absolutely gorgeous. I love these boxes. And I feel like I could use these ribbons for something. But it is the earrings. It is the ABC tribal earrings from Dior. Like this. And I paid attention this time. Comes in a little envelope pocket like this. And you have this right here. And it is a T. And I got the T for Mrs. Turner. So when this ear does heal, I'll be able to do kind of like a combo. I can do Maya Karen, or I can do Maya Karen and then I can do Turner. But I love these. If you have been looking at these, I would suggest that you at least look at them. Because last year they were $240, this year they're at $250, so Dior will probably have a price increase coming up next year. Okay, but yes, it's the ABC Dior Tribals. Love them. Okay, so let's stick with Dior. So this particular piece right here, this particular purchase right here, I was on the Dior website, minding my own business. I was getting ready to order my size and they did not have it on the website. So on Dior's website, you can actually look up some pieces to see whether or not they're available in store. So these came all the way from Las Vegas and I actually got the last pair. So it must have been meant to be. So it came like this. put this down. And then the sales associate was nice enough to give me a book. I cannot wait to look at this. I know there's going to be some gorgeous pieces in here. But here is the box right here. Like I said, I have always loved Dior's packaging. I feel like I can use these ribbons for something, maybe like a hair tie or something. But let's go ahead and open it. Like this. And if you can't guess, these were actually on my luxury wish list for 2021. Here is the receipt. Here is the card. And the one thing that I do love about Dior is that they give you 2 dust bags for your shoes. So really quickly, just 2 dust bags. I love that. All right, and it is one of their most classic and iconic pair of shoes. I am so excited. These look better than the black ones. It is these right here. Absolutely love these. One of their classics. And this is the tallest heel height that it comes in. So, if you don't know, I do have the black pair. I have been wearing them every single chance that I get when I leave the house. But I wanted these because I don't really have like a tan beige pair. I do have a pair of Christian Louboutins, and those are actually Mary Jane's, and they come across the ankle. But I wanted a slingback, and I think these are going to be absolutely perfect, okay? And then here is the bottom. The bottom is suede and leather as well. And then you have the gorgeous stitching down here. Now, Dior shoes are not cheap. If you have been looking for these shoes, I would suggest that you go ahead and purchase them now, because they also had a price increase this year, just like they will next year. I will also say this when it comes to sizing. My 36 is in black. I have a pair of 36 in black. David bought those last year for my birthday. Now, when we're talking about sizing for this shoe, if you are on the cusp of your size, I would tell you to size up. The reason being is because I do wear a 6, but I would say 9 times out of 10, the shoe is a little big on me. But the 36 that I have in black, I feel like my heel is like right here. So that's why I went ahead and went for the 36 and a half. So if you have been looking for these shoes, I would suggest to you to size up if you are on the cusp of your shoe size, okay? So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so I am definitely liking the tan versus the black. Now, as far as sizing, as like I was saying before, as you can see, my heel is not over the shoe. And I would say for these in the future, I would be getting 36s and a half. I just feel more comfortable with that extra room in the toe box. Okay, so let's move on to a purse. This purse I have been waiting on for a couple of months now. It is my second purse by this designer. It is black owned, Brandon Blackwood. So I got it from Saks. Came like this. Open it like that. This is how it comes. This is how my first bag came. The first one was kind of like the box or the tote bag. It was very structured, rectangular shape, python or lizard lick, and then it was like in this beautiful green color. So I saw this one in my email and I instantly knew that I had to have it. What I did not know is that it's actually named the Maya, and it's spelled the way that I spell my name, and it's M-Y-A. My mother was the one that pointed it out to me. I didn't even check the name because I saw the bag and I immediately knew if I didn't buy it that it was going to be sold out. I didn't really care what the name was. But once I revealed the bag to you, I think it encompasses everything that I love or everything that I'm starting to love. So, come in this bag. Here we go. Right here, it is a top handle. Dust bag. I love any bag that has a dust bag. He has his wrapping, what a way to market, with the beautiful marketing and the beautiful name. It is this bag right here. When I tell you this bag is so adorable, chic, and me at the exact same time, I'm like, oh my goodness, this is so adorable. It has the little zipper right here. It has the fur right here and on the side and on the back. And then it does have feet, okay? You open it like this. All right. And I see it is stuffed. So let's take this out because I believe it should have a strap. It does, because I can see it right here. And it does come with a strap. But this bag to me is so adorable. I love it. I love the color. I saw it in black, but I didn't really want it in black. I wanted something, I've been looking for a deep chocolate bag, and I think it will go really well. This might be a little bit deeper. I don't know if you know, but Christian Louboutin came out with a nude collection, and this was probably one of his more darker hues. Mine is probably slightly lighter, but because this is going to be like in my hand and then my shoes are going to be on my feet, it might work. But I absolutely love this bag. It is adorable, and it's just the right size too. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a mod shot really quickly. All right, so I have two more items. One of them, they're both from Saint Laurent. One of them was on my luxury Christmas list under $500. So the first one, and it is matching, so I'm so excited. There is a Laurent now that is close to me that is one of my favorite designers besides Dior. So it came like this. Like this. You open it, and as you can tell, it's a card holder. So, what color is it though? I really didn't want black. I don't think there's going to be any color transfer, but I really did not want black. So it is this right here. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, the color. It has the beautiful chevron that YSL is known for, and then I went with gold. I'm more so of a gold girl, not really silver. I love gold. So you have a pocket or an insert right here, then you have an insert right here, then there's an insert right here, and then you turn it over and there are two more inserts. Okay? Absolutely love this. Now, I chose the YSL one because I'm starting to get into SLGs, which are known as small leather goods, and I have heard so many great things about YSL and their card holders and the durability. This is probably one of the best ones, okay? So this is why I got it. But now, let's finally get into the whole point of this video. I went online and I saw the perfect top handle YSL bag for me. It is a mini. Right now, I'm not really into big bags simply just because I'm a very petite person and I feel like they just kind of overshadow me. So I got the matching bag for this and I cannot wait to open it. I went into the store the day after my birthday and I had to order it. So the bag came from Miami. They next dayed it. And then the day after that, I went into the store to pick it up. I didn't want to buy it online because sometimes you like going into the store and you like, getting to know the sales associates and you just want the experience. All of the essays were wonderful. So without further ado, the bag right here that I had been waiting for, that I have been stalking online. Now, I did not catch it before the price increase. It was, I think it was 2-1. It was like $2,100. Now it's $2,550. So I didn't catch it before the price increase, but that's fine. Here's the box. I love their boxes as well. Very classic. Like this. You open it. All right. Dust bag. And Saint Laurent's dust bags are made wonderfully. This is my third bag from them. Their bags are very durable, very sturdy, quality made. So, it is this right here. This is so cute and adorable to me. I will probably wear this for a couple of weeks, probably just find stuff to wear this with just because. And then I will do a review. I absolutely love this bag, just like the Brandon Blackwood. This speaks to my style right now and the style that I am trying to get to. I love the color, and then like I said, I got the matching card holder. So let's open it really quickly. How do you open this? Probably should try to figure that out first. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. No, wait. See, this is why I like natural reactions. I have no idea how to open this bag. This is funny. Oh, okay. So you have to press the button. It's a button that you press that I don't think I fully pressed. This is hilarious. I don't know how to open my new bag. That's funny. Okay, let's try this again. I heard something click. Oh. Okay, so let's try that again. So, this is the bag. This is how you open it. All right. It does have a strap. Now, I was hoping that the strap would be detachable. It's not. That's fine. Yeah, I was hoping it would be detachable, but that's fine. I can just stick it in the bag because I don't really carry that much. But yes, absolutely love this bag. So it has the emblem right here. Then it has a very, very small Saint Laurent right here, Paris. I don't like I don't like emblems, monograms, and logos on my stuff. If you don't know, you just don't know. This is probably about as gaudy or as showy as I would get, because if you know, I do have the Tory Burch Eleanor bag, and the emblem or the logo is pretty big, but it gives life to the bag. It makes the bag all the more beautiful. Here is the back, and it does have like a little pocket in here. And what is this? Probably the authenticity card. Okay, it's the price tag. But yes, I love this bag. I think this will go very well with everything in my closet. And then not to mention, I do have the matching card holder, which I really do need because I do switch out my bags a lot. I might wear one bag for a couple of days, and then the next day I might wear another bag. And just simply without a card holder, just having all of those cards, I need something that I can just quickly slip in and out of bags. And this is going to foot the bill. But I love this bag. She showed me a medium that was way too big. This is a mini, so I might be looking at a small in the near future. But yes, this bag I absolutely love. And I love that this is not such a shiny gold. It's more of like a muted gold. But yes, love this. And as you can see, I am super excited. But yeah, let's go ahead and close that bag, because you know I didn't know how to open it before. This one has feet as well, okay? So that is all that I got for my birthday. Like I said, I do have one more piece that is on the way. I would just fill that in with another haul. I just want to remind you that here on YouTube, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Then of course, you know, right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching. In the comments, let me know which piece was your favorite. Bye guys.